The world of media is rapidly growing, changing, fast-paced and exciting. From interactive media to creative media, Coleg Gwent is the perfect place to study. We have fantastic media facilities on campus where you will work alongside industry experienced professionals and use state-of-the-art equipment, developing the skills needed to ensure that you're work ready. You'll learn everything from planning, creating and evaluating digital products to creating adverts, magazines, brochures, 2D and 3D animation. With plenty of opportunities to showcase your work to the public, Coleg Gwent will get you ready for whatever career specialism you choose. The media industry covers a wide range of sectors, including advertising, design, film, music, radio, gaming, TV and much more. Media surrounds us all, and at Coleg Gwent, you can be at the heart of it. So, if you're creative, driven, and want an exciting career involving media or technology, then Coleg Gwent is the place for you. Find out more about our media courses via our course search, or register for our next open event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.